guys, the very first thing you need to do is this. I'm going to do this character first, and I'm going to demonstrate it. I'm going to demonstrate it. I'm going to stand here. Please mark the spot you are standing so that when you are editing the video, it will be easier for you. Do you understand? So I'm going to stand there and then imagine that somebody else is standing at my front. Do you understand? And then I'm going to demonstrate something. Just watch and see. So I'm going to do like this. And then I bend down and I do as if I'm picking the small woman. Then stretch your second hand and put it here like this. Guys, this is it. Okay. So just like that, do something like that. It is very, very easy, very simple. So when you are done with this part, cut the video and do another one of you standing at the opposite direction like this. So I just want to shift back. Okay, something like this is okay. Stand there like this, and this particular character don't really have much to do. All you need to do here is just to stand and be watching. That is all you need to do here. Just stand. So guys, I hope you are following this tutorial. This is it. This is it. So immediately you are done filming, the next thing you need to do is to go to Capcut and do the final editing. So guys, come with me as we do the editing together. I'm going to click on the Capcut app. So click on new project, and then we're going to import the video where I was demonstrating. Guys, this is the video. So click on add, and here we are. This is the video. So the second thing we are going to do is this. You click on overlay, then click on add overlay, and then import the other video I did. So this is it. This particular one where I was just standing doing nothing. So I'll click on add, and then we have the two videos now. So always remember to resize this one to fit to screen. So this is it, the overlay video. Do it to always resize it. So guys, this is it. So remember that whenever you are filming this kind of video, you should use a tripod. So guys, the very next thing we are going to do now is we are going to search for mask. So swipe to your right hand side and search for mask. Search for mask. This is mask. Click on it, and then click on horizontal. So we are going to turn it now for the two characters to show. So like this, it's okay like this. It's okay like this. The next thing we are going to do is this. I'm going to play this video, and immediately I'm about to move my hand like this, I will just split the video. So I think this is it. So I'll split this place where I move my hand like this. So I will split it. I'm going to split this place. Click on split. Make sure you are clicking on the overlay video, then you click on split. So this remaining part here, we are going to remove the background. So you click on it, and then swipe to the right hand side and search for remove BG. BG stands for background. You click on it, and then you click on auto remover. Click on it. So you need to be patient for this to go around. It doesn't take time, so just be patient. So immediately it goes around, it will remove this particular background removed. Guys, did you see that? So now that we are done removing the background of that video, click on it, this place that you remove the background, click on it, and the very beginning here we are going to add keyframe. Now that the hand is already stretched towards the other character, I'm going to start making this other character small. Do you understand? Make sure you are clicking on this overlay video, because that's the one we are working on. So you make it small, and make sure the leg is touching the floor. So make it small. Make it small. So this is it. So guys, did you see that? Guys, did you see that? So this is it. So I'll just leave it like this thing. I bend down like this, and guys, did you see that now? Did you see that? So I'm going to shift this second character now to where my hand is. Do you understand? So that is how it works. Click on it, and then I'll just move it to where my hand is, and another keyframe will enter. Did you see it? Okay, let me play it for you to see. Did you see that? Did you see it? Guys, did you see it? So that is it. So just when you see that there is an error, you just do your adjustment. And another thing is that if you see that your keyframe that you did, you made a mistake, you can always delete it. And how do you do that? You just tap on this, on the keyframe, tap on it like this, and then click on the minus. Did you see it? And then it will get deleted. So that is how it works. So now that it is like this is exactly how I want it to be. Now I am about to lift this small woman and then put it on my other palm. Do you understand? So, and how do I do that? I'm going to add keyframe again. Do you understand? So let's do that together. Let's do that together like this. Okay, so I'm lifting my hand now. So click on this overlay and then add keyframe, then move it to exactly the spot your hand is. Do you understand? Then move the video again, and then move this one to that spot your hand is. Do you see that? So the keyframe will just automatically add. So move the video again, move it to where your hand is, like that. Is exactly what you need to do. Then move the video again, then move it to where your hand is. You have to be careful when doing this. So if you see that you are looking taller than the length of your hand, like, so you understand what I'm saying? So you can make it smaller like this. Make it smaller so that it will look realistic. Do you see that? Like this. Then move the video again, and then move the other one again like this, and to move it to where your hand is. Exactly, this is how you just need to do it. If you move it anywhere you move your hand to, this is how it is done. So let's play and see what we have. Guys, did you see it? Did you see it? Did you see it? Okay guys, wow, can you see this? This is exactly how it is done. It is very, 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 very simple. Guys, did you see it? Did you see this? So guys, this is it for this video. Who is going to try it out? Just try it out and be very careful when you are doing it, when you are working with the keyframe, so that it will come out perfect. So guys, that is it for this video. So guys, that is all for this video. I hope you have been able to learn something today. Like I always say, if you have any video idea that you want me to talk about, please write it on the comment section. I will surely do the video for you and I'll post it just for you. Don't forget to support me by subscribing, support me by sharing this video, like and drop a comment. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.